The National Collegiate Athletic Association, NCAA, has always been one of the best forums for Caribbean athletes to improve their athletic performance. Over the years, we have been able to see our Caribbean athletes dominating on the NCAA circuit and winning multiple titles both indoors and outdoors. Caribbean athletes such as Bahamians Pauline Davis, Debbie Ferguson-McKenzie, Avad Moncure, along with Jamaica's Merlene Ottey, Veronica Campbell, Raymond Stewart, and Obadele Thompson of Barbados, have all made names for themselves in the NCAA during their respective eras. Recently, it has been seen where Jamaica's Kemba Nelson, Stacey Ann Williams, Cherokee Young, and Dwight St. Hilaire of Trinidad and Tobago have made names for themselves by representing their respective schools. The NCAA has produced multiple Caribbean world and Olympic champions, and the system continues to benefit athletes from all over the world. Every season, there are Caribbean athletes who are expected to produce world-class times and marks. The 2023 season promises to be no different. In this presentation, we'll explore the top 10 athletes to watch for the 2023 NCAA track and field season. Number 10. Shaun Miller Jr. of Barbados is the younger brother of world and Olympic 400-meter champion Shaun Miller Ubio, and he represents Ohio State University. Miller is a high jumper with a personal best of 2.23 meters, done at the 2022 Penn Relays in April. He was quite consistent throughout his collegiate season, as he made it to the final of the high jump at the NCAA Championships held at Hayward Field in Eugene, Oregon. Miller finished 9th with a leap of 2.15 meters. Shaun Miller is expected to do extremely well for 2023, with the intention of not only winning NCAA titles, but clearing the 2.32 meters qualifying standard for the World Championships that will be held in Budapest, Hungary. Number 9. Ackera Nugent of Jamaica is one of the world's best 100 meters and 100-meter hurdle sprinters. Having made the finals of both the 100 meters and the 100-meter hurdles at the 2021 NCAA Outdoor Championships, fans thought that 2022 would have been the best year for Nugent, as she placed 9th and 3rd respectively in both events at the Outdoor Championships, although running a personal best of 12.45 seconds over the 100-meter hurdles just weeks before the 2022 NCAA Championships in June. The Baylor University athlete had to terminate her season due to injury. The 2021 World Under-20 100-meter hurdles champion will be looking forward to making an excellent comeback and adding to the legacy of the Jamaican hurdles dynasty. Number 8. Joella Llyod of Antigua and Barbuda is a 100 meters and 200 meter sprinter who represents the University of Tennessee. At the 2022 NCAA Championships, Llyod was able to run national records of 11.08 seconds and 22.66 seconds in the semifinals of the 100 meters and 200 meters. In the final, she was able to place 9th and 8th in the 100 meters and 200 meters respectively. Llyod should be one to watch for the 2023 NCAA season, as she will be aiming to break the magical 11-second barrier for the 100 meters and possibly win an NCAA title. Number 7. Jamaica's Kevona Davis. The world first took notice of Kevona Davis while she was competing for Edwin Allen High School. Since then, she has begun representing the University of Texas, and it has been one of her best decisions yet. In the 2022 season, Davis was able to shock the world by running personal best times of 10.95 seconds and 22.26 seconds over the 100 meters and 200 meters respectively, just weeks before the NCAA Championships in June. At the NCAA Championships, she was able to place 7th and 5th in the 100 meters and 200 meters respectively, with times of 11.22 seconds and 22.50 seconds. Along with running with her teammates St. Lucia's Julien Alfred on the 4x100 meters, the team won in a time of 42.42 seconds. Kevona Davis is expected to be stronger this season because she has already run a personal best of 37.77 seconds over the 300 meters indoors at the Commonwealth College season opener. Number 6. Wayne Pinnock of Jamaica first gained recognition as a junior athlete when he won bronze in the long jump at the 2018 World Under-20 Championships in Tampere, Finland. Since then, Pinnock has competed for the University of Tennessee, which saw him winning both NCAA indoor and outdoor championship long jump titles with leaps of 7.92 meters and 8 meters respectively. This was quite a significant achievement for him as he was able to win the Jamaica national title in June with his personal best leap of 8.14 meters and later placed 9th at the World Championships in Eugene, Oregon with a leap of 7.88 meters. Pinnock has now switched to the University of Arkansas, where he is joined by his countryman, World Under-20 triple jump champion Jaydon Hibbert. Number 5. World Under-20 200 meters champion Brianna Lyston of Jamaica will be embarking on her collegiate journey to Louisiana State University. The school has produced world-class female sprinters such as Muna Lee, Lolo Jones, and the infamous J-irie Richardson. Lyston has proven herself by representing St. Jago High School and Hydel High School, having personal bests of 11.14 seconds and 22.53 seconds in both the 100 meters and 200 meters respectively, along with a 50.80 seconds 4x400 meter relay split. Lyston should add value to the NCAA and shatter many records. Number 4. Jamaica's Jaydon Hibbert first gained global attention by winning the triple jump silver in the 2021 World Under-20 Championships in Nairobi, Kenya. Since then, he has competed in both long jump and triple jump, including winning both events at the 2022 Carifta Games in Kingston. He was able to win the triple jump at the World Under-20 Championships with a national under-18 record of 17.27 meters. Hibbert will be competing for the University of Arkansas and will be aiming not only to win NCAA titles, but to make the World Championship team to Budapest, Hungary in the triple jump. Number 3. Jevaughn Powell of Jamaica had one of the best 2022 seasons while representing the University of Texas, El Paso. Powell was able to run a personal best of 44.87 seconds in the 400 meters and went on to place 7th with a time of 45.81 seconds in the event at the NCAA final. He later won the Jamaica National Championship in a time of 45.50 seconds, but did not make it out of the first round at the World Championships in Eugene. However, Powell was able to run the third leg on the 4x400 meter team that took silver at the championships. Jevaughn Powell will now be representing the University of Florida and will hope not to only win NCAA titles, but to break the magical 44-second barrier in the 400 meters. Number 2. Jonathan Jones of Barbados is one of the world's best 400 meters and 800 meter athletes who compete for the University of Texas. His 2022 season was one of the best ones yet, as he was able to run national records of 44.43 seconds over the 400 meters and 145.83 seconds over the 800 meters. Jones was able to place 4th in the final of the 400 meters at the NCAA Championships and ran a sub-44 relay split in the 4x400 meters. Jones ended his season at the Commonwealth Games in August in Birmingham as he took bronze in the 400 meters. With this fast closing speed and tactical running, Jonathan Jones should be one of the best athletes to watch over the 400 meters and 800 meters in the 2023 NCAA season. Before we get to number 1, if this presentation was of some value to you, we would greatly appreciate it if you would give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for our next video. Thank you. And number 1, St. Lucia's Julien Alfred had arguably the best NCAA season in 2022. She was able to run 7.04 seconds to break Jamaica's Kemba Nelson's 60 meters indoor record of 7.5 seconds. Alfred was able to have an undefeated NCAA season in the 100 meters, including winning the NCAA title in the event and winning the 4x100 meters at the Outdoor Championships to collect 2 collegiate titles. Julien Alfred was able to run a massive personal best of 10.81 seconds to become the 25th fastest woman over the 100 meters. So far, Alfred has run a 300-meter indoor national record of 37.36 to begin her 2023 campaign, showing that she is the main Caribbean athlete to watch for the 2023 NCAA season. Check out this video on the top 10 best performances by Caribbean junior athletes in the 2022 track and field season. Our Caribbean athletes continue to dominate the NCAA circuit as the majority of student athletes are from the Caribbean. The 2023 season should see more fast times being run and huge leaps being achieved as our athletes continue to fly the Caribbean flag high in the NCAA. Who did we leave out? Do you agree with our list of top 10? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to also like, subscribe, share our channel with others and turn on the notification bell for our next video as we cheer on our Caribbean athletes together. This is J-irie Caribbean. Thanks for watching.